Hi students, in this video we will be solving question number 13 from the exercise 10.2 and this is a first PU syllabus. You go to playlists and look for straight lines, you will be able to find all the sums and derivations related to this chapter. Now let us check question number 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2. We have to find the equation of the line which passes through 2.2 and it is also cutting off the intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. So the line is making some x and y intercepts whose sum is 9. We have to find the equation of the line. So the moment we see x and y intercepts given, we have to consider the intercept form of the line, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If we consider rectangular coordinate system and a line making x and y intercept, that is the line is intersecting x and y axis, the distance from the origin to this point of intersection of the line and x-axis is x-intercept. This distance is x-intercept and we generally denote it as a, and its distance from origin to the point of intersection of the line and y-axis is y-intercept. That is, this distance is y-intercept, generally denoted as b. So if we know these two information about the line, then the equation of the line would be x by a, that is x by x-intercept, plus y by b, that is y by y-intercept, that is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the line. Now from the data, they have given that sum of the intercepts is 9 units. So what we can write? A plus b is equal to 9. Now we have two unknowns in the equation and we don't have the data of each one of them and we know sum of the intercepts. So what we can write is b is equal to 9 minus a. By substituting for b as 9 minus a, we can get rid of one of the unknowns and we can have only one unknown. Correct? Just check what happens. X by a plus y by 9 minus a. Instead of b, we have written 9 minus a and that is equal to 1. Now we have only one unknown whose value we can easily find out. Okay, how do we do that? We have this equation of the line now, and how do we find the value of a? There is another data given. Use this piece of information, that is 2, 2 lies on the line. That should satisfy the equation of the line. That is, if any point lies on the line, that point should satisfy the equation of the line. So we are substituting for x and y as 2 and 2. So when we do that, what we get is 2 by a plus 2 by 9 minus a is equal to 1. On simplification, we can find the value of a. Do you agree? Yes. I have retained that term here. So on taking LCM and simplifying, what we get is 2 into 9 minus a plus 2a whole divided by a into 9 minus a is equal to 1. So 18 minus 2a plus 2a whole divided by a into 9 minus a is equal to 1. Here minus 2a and plus 2a gets cancelled. So 18 is equal to a into 9 minus a. This on cross multiplication we get this term in the RHS. So open the brackets and multiply. What we get is 18 is equal to 9a minus a square. On rewriting or rearranging the terms, we have got a quadratic equation, that is a square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. So now we have to solve the quadratic equation. Students, I am assuming that you already know how to solve a quadratic equation. So I am not elaborating on how we are solving the quadratic equation. So this I am writing minus 9a as minus 3a minus 6a. When you simplify these two terms, we should get minus 9a. When you take the product of these two terms, we should get 18a square. And we have written it correct. Yes? Now, take out a as common from these two terms. And from these two terms, we are taking minus 6 as common. So, it will be a into a minus 3 minus 6 into a minus 3 is equal to 0. From these two terms, you can take out a minus 3 as common factor, which will be a minus 3 into a minus 6 is equal to 0. Now you can clearly make out that we are getting two different values for a, that is two values for x-intercept. X-intercept can be 3 or x-intercept can also be 6. So two different values of x-intercept is what we are getting. We could clearly make out that the moment we got a quadratic equation, we know that we are going to get two values for x-intercept. When we have two values for x-intercept, obviously we will have two different values for y-intercept too. Now we will be finding y-intercept when x-intercept is 3, and we will also be finding y-intercept when x-intercept is 6. That means we will have two different set of values for x and y-intercepts. So we are going to find the equation of the line in both the cases. So let us consider the very first case when x-intercept is 3. So what will our y-intercept be? B is equal to 9 minus a, that will be B is equal to 6. When x-intercept is 3, y-intercept is 6. Now we are substituting x and y-intercepts in the standard form. That gives us x by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Take LCM, it will be 2x plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So 2x plus y is equal to 6. And 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line when the line makes x-intercept as 3 and y-intercept as 6 units. Now we'll consider the second case where the line is making an x-intercept of 6 units. Accordingly, what is the y-intercept? It is 3 units. So when x-intercept is 6, y-intercept is 3 units. We will substitute again these two values in the standard form. And what we get is x by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Now we'll simplify this. After taking LCM, what we get is x plus 2y by 6 is equal to 1. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Then x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the second possible equation of the line. So we have found the equation of the line in both the cases when x-intercept was 3 and y-intercept was 6. And in the second case, x-intercept was 6 and y-intercept was 3. So we have found both the equations of the line. Or you can also understand that there were two possible lines for the given data. Is this clear? If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.